do the T-step. The T-step, you usually mix it with the running man. So this is what it looks like. So let's just do the regular T-step. We're going to go to the right 4 and then the left 4. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So basically there's 2 parts. You got this leg, we call it the base leg. It's going to wiggle this way. And while it's wiggling, you're going to tap the other leg, the toe usually, but you could end up doing anything with that leg, but for now we just do the toe. So we go wiggle with the toe, wiggle with the toe. And then to the left we'll do wiggle, toe, wiggle, toe. Okay, so just practice that back and forth, and eventually you'll mix it with the running man. Let's do 4 running man, you guys, and we'll go T-step to the right, running man, T-step to the left, running man. So let's start with the running man. 5, 6,